Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, we will write the functionality of Signup Controller and the Signup Route. So let's get started. So let's go to src package, and here I'm going to create a new folder with the name controllers, and here I'm going to create a new file with the name user controller.js. So let me import here user service, and here I'm going to create an async function with the name create user, and here I'm going to add request and the response. Inside the function, I'm going to add here the try and the catch block. So let me add here the catch in the argument. It will catch an error. And here I'm going to add console.log to print the error into the console. And we also need to send the error in the response. So let me add here rest.status, that is a 400, and the response in the type of JSON, that is a error.message. So in the try block, I'm going to call method from our user service. Before that, I'm going to create an object that is a user data, and here we need to get the details of the user from our request body. And after that, I'm going to call method from our user service, that is a create a user, and here we need to pass user data in the argument of the method. So here I'm going to create an object to save the response of this method, and it will be a user. And let me add here the await, and after that we need to send the response, that is a rest.status, that is a 201 created, and the response in the type of a JSON. There we need to pass the created user and the message, that is a user created. And after that we need to export this function. So let me add here module.export, and here I'm adding the function name, that is a create user. So let's go to src package, and here I'm going to create a new subfolder with the name routes. Under this, I'm going to create a new file with the name signup.js. Let me update the controller name, that is a signup.js. Let's go to signup.js under the route, and here I'm going to import Express. After that, I'm going to import here Signup Controller. After that, I'm going to initialize the router. So here I'm going to call express.router. So here we need to call router, and the mapping I'm going to add here post. So the URL of the endpoint, that is a /register, and here we need to call method from our signup controller, that is a create user. So after that we need to export this router. So let me add here module.exports, and it will be a router. So let's go to app.js, and here I'm going to import our signup route. And after that, I'm going to import here body parser. So here I'm going to call app.use, and here we need to pass body parser.json to convert the body into the type of a JSON that we got with the API request. So after that, I'm going to call app.use, and here I'm going to add the signup route. So the request mapping of the signup route, that is a /user. That's all for now from my side. I hope you like this video. In the next video, we will test the API with the Postman. If you have any confusion, you can do comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.